Hello everyone, and welcome back. I'm just getting a couple of the garden videos, the very last garden videos finished. This is what's left of my cotton plants. Somebody had commented, I don't know, a couple of videos ago on the garden that I was not going to get cotton, and I was still pretty sure I was going to. And then we had a horrendously cold fall so far, and there's no way I'm getting any cotton now. Those plants are froze out and dead. Brussels sprouts are doing awesome. This is the best time of the year for them. A couple of freezing days like this and they get a little bit sweeter. Almost time to start picking them. My Swiss chard and my celery, that stuff hasn't been affected much at all by the cold. It's still doing real nice. And then I've got more Brussels sprouts. But even though we didn't get any cotton, I wanted to open one of these up and see just how close we got. You can see what it looks like right there, but from what I've seen they're supposed to turn black and then they open up. I can't remember. Like I said, I grew cotton before. My grandpa and grandma brought me a plant though, not seed, and I got cotton out of that, but that was years ago. Alright, so as you can see, we got that close. There's seeds in there. This one here has even more cottony to it. See that? Interesting. Okay everyone, well, we didn't get any cotton this year. I'm not going to give up. I'm going to try again another time. I'll see you guys on the next video. Still 2 more apples left on the apple tree.